If you are looking for a portable and a budget-friendly Samsung phone to buy, the Galaxy A02s is a good one to consider. It is sold for 52,500 naira, which is approximately 140 USD. When compared to its predecessor, Galaxy A01 of last year, you will see Samsung made massive improvements here. From the 2 gigs of RAM last year in the Galaxy A01, this has 3 GB of RAM. From 16 gigs of storage, this now has 32 gigs of storage. From Snapdragon 439 to the recent Snapdragon 450. And from 3000 mAh battery capacity of last year, Samsung improved the Galaxy A02s to now have 5000 mAh battery capacity. The list of improvement goes on and on. But take a break. Before you buy the smartphone, there are some additional important things you need to know. Inside the box, you only have a pair of earphones, a 60-watt fast charger, and a USB Type-C cable. There is no screen protector, no body case to protect the Galaxy A02s. Not just that, the smartphone doesn't have fingerprint sensor. So to protect the smartphone, you either use face unlock, which is not always reliable, or you use screen lock. The good news is that the smartphone battery can last you for a whole full day. No matter how hard you try, you can't kill it in a day. However, the bad news is that to charge the smartphone from 0 to 100 will take you 2 hours 50 minutes. Can the smartphone play games? Yes. Does it hang? Yes. Is it slow? Yes. But can you still manage it? Yes. Can the smartphone multitask smoothly? Well, this is what you should know. The more applications you install, the slower it becomes. It's annoying sometimes, especially when it becomes inevitable. How good are the cameras? The front camera is 8 megapixel, while the rears are 30 megapixel main camera plus 2 megapixel depth sensor plus 2 megapixel macro. Well, on how good they are, I should let you be the judge. The smartphone can record in 1080p video quality. So in summary, comparing the Galaxy A02s to last year's Galaxy A01, Samsung has made noticeable and laudable improvements here. If there is any other thing else you'd love to know about the Samsung Galaxy A02s, you can drop them in the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to go through them and provide an answer to you. Now, the kind of elder brother to the Galaxy A02s is the Samsung Galaxy A12 that I already made an unboxing video. I'll also link it below. You can go and check it out. So the full review of this smartphone, I've been using it for the past days now as my daily driver, up to 7 days now. I'll drop the full review of this smartphone tomorrow. So you can hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on it. And also, I also make a comparison of the Galaxy A02s versus Samsung Galaxy A12. Not to miss out on this comparison video, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and also follow me on social media at MyED. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next one.